Adding a chart title in Looker Studio helps provide context and clarity to your visualizations. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to add the chart title. Open Looker Studio. Log in. Visit datastudio.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Open a report. Choose an existing report or create a new one where you want to add the chart title. Add or select a chart. Insert a chart. Click on Add the chart from the top menu. Select the chart type you want and place it on the report canvas. Select the chart. Click on the chart to select it. Add or edit the title. Access chart settings. With the chart selected, go to the Data or Style tab on the right-hand panel. Add title. In the Data tab, locate the title field. Enter your desired chart title here. Alternatively, in the Style tab, you can find the option to set a title under Chart Title. Customize font, size, and alignment using the options available in the Style tab. Finalize and save. Review title. Check the title's appearance on the chart. Save changes. Click Save to ensure the title is preserved in your report.